Atlantic County's Funny Farm Animal Rescue is mourning the loss of one of its famous critters. Socks the horse passed away yesterday. The animal is often called guardian angel by those who volunteer at the farm. The Funny Farm's Facebook page features many memories of Socks, who died from an apparent heart attack. The rescue lost another one of its popular pets back in January. That's when Chuck, their miracle German Shepherd, passed away. To help the Funny Farm with its mission of helping animals, please check out their Funny Farm Rescue Facebook page.